Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a text box in Google Slides, the full 2026 version. It's super simple, and yeah, you'll be able to style your slides a lot cleaner. So let's get right into it. All right, first thing you want to do is open the slide where your text box is. If you haven't added one yet, you can just insert a new text box and type anything in there. Nothing fancy, you know? Now go ahead and click the text box so it gets that blue outline. This is important because Google Slides only shows styling options when the box is actually selected. Once the text box is selected, look at the toolbar at the top. You'll see the border options, things like border color, border weight, and border dash. They might be small, so yeah, just hover your mouse over them if you need a little hint. Click the border color button and pick the color you want. If you don't see the right shade, you can use the custom color picker. Google Slides gives you a lot of freedom here, so feel free to try a few options. Next, choose the border weight. This changes how thick the border looks. You can go super thin or pretty bold, whatever fits your slide style. I usually go somewhere in the middle, but yeah, it's totally up to you. And if you want the border to look a bit different, like dashed or dotted, just pick one from the border dash menu. It's a small detail, but sometimes it adds a nice touch to the layout, and that's pretty much it. You've just added a clean border to your text box in Google Slides, full 2026 style. It's quick, simple, and yeah, it really helps your slides stand out. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials.